Gill has been printing political products for over 50 years. Decades of experience and our dedication to innovation have us very excited to announce our new pocket-sized political products. These perfectly proportionate products are great for everyone, from the budget-conscious candidate to the super dedicated supporter or even the undecided voter. Candidates love canvassing their district with teeny tiny all-over adhesive notes, which include extra adhesive to stay put until removed. Our diminutive double-sided yard signs come folded and glued for easy installation. Both items can provide valuable polling information and name recognition. For those dedicated supporters who want to represent their chosen candidate 24/7, the miniature bumper stickers let everyone know who you'll be casting your vote for. And with ultra-movable adhesive, they are super easy to remove after your candidate wins by a landslide. Having a tough time selecting your candidate? Our fabric-friendly itsy-bitsy button stickers allow voters who are still a little on the fence to show their slight support. Candidates now have the opportunity to stop voters in their tracks. Like, literally. If their face isn't within 6 inches, these are totally worthless. And don't forget, the pocket-sized political products are perfect for the prepared petite politician.
I'm Jordan. I'm running for Congress.
Hi Jordan.
My lapel.
You're running for, what does that say? Why is it so tiny?
Congress.
For some real, awesome political products, visit Gill-line.com.